Hey guys, I am very excited to review for you today this beach chair from AKSOUL. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a nice close look, showing you exactly how to use it and getting into all the different features so you can decide whether or not it's be right for you. So first off, it comes in this very convenient carrying case, lovely shade of blue, and popping it open inside is our chair, which thankfully assembles in just seconds. Like you're just going to pop it open like this and then slide these tubes together on either side, and voila, seriously so easy. And let me tell you, it's so comfortable. I love how it's kind of lower to the ground, definitely makes for a great beach chair. We've also got that high back and headrest, very comfortable to just lie against like so, and a very wide seat, certainly incredibly comfy and supportive. The breathable mesh back definitely helps as well, and overall just a great design. And I love how lightweight it is too, at only 7.7 pounds. Certainly easy to carry around when you've got it in the case or if you just need to move it around to a different spot. And it's super durable. We've got this durable steel frame throughout the design, as well as this very heavy duty 1000D Oxford fabric. It supports up to 300 pounds, which is quite impressive, and it's super convenient. We've got this cute little cup holder on the side here, great for throwing in a can of soda, water bottle. And this front mesh pocket right here provides a lot of added convenience, especially if you're on the beach, you don't want your stuff to get all sandy. You could throw in phone, your keys, your wallet, any just little things that you want to keep handy and out of the way. And then once you're done, this chair disassembles just as easily as it's set up. And that's about it. So make sure to check it out. Super comfy. I love the supportive design, incredibly durable material, easy to set up and disassemble. Literally it takes just seconds, and it folds up to be super compact, super portable, and it's so versatile. Whether you're going to watch a game or relax on the beach, or maybe even just set it up on your patio and enjoy the sun, this is definitely something you're going to want to have on hand during the warmer months. So make sure to check it out, and I hope you love it just as much as I do.